And it's Tito Maswanganyi there getting it. This could be a chance to shoot from range. Keeper Otieno makes a save. Took the save route.
See him smiling again and celebrating, of course, against Polokwane City. It's good to see this man back as well in the team. Of course, long-range shots on target. That's Talent Mbata.
Mazayona befundisi bake badlala ifinal khona la Orlando City kule yaminyaka yeBP top 8 evimba kwasala bayina ke manje bema manje usibilibili ibhola ligqoba usibilibili washo umzwandoda bapho banolwazi sikelemkhi yena ke bakuya police ushaya igoli lakhe elokuqala ke namhlanje police omuhle umsebenzi wakhe wesibili eligoba ke ibhola la mthola ke police umbukele la eOrlando Amstel Arena. Orlando Pirates 1 Richards Bay not sibili ijubane ke lakhe eligoba ke ibhola sibili ethi ngibona yini ke uya police ibhola ke libeka phakathi ke lapha yena ke uya police sikele emkhima dazama bakaniya sebenza ke sibili Saba uze Pedro la kalene tini ke phola ke shake pass ke mfuke tsola ke Makhawula bathile ukuphasa badodo Makhawula Banks bemvimba nansi ke ingozi baze ke mfuke uthola ke Mbuthuma sebenza ke emuva lapha yena ke mbukeli usikhakha wathi ke unompempe ke goal kick Moremi shake cross ke Mordion Hoto le marking ya lapha ke ube yedwa lapha yena ke Dion Hoto kodwa goalkeeper ibhola elivimba ngapha yena ke Otieno amabhakane efuna igoli lesibili ke manje police uthola ke Mahupa Fuke zamushaya Fuke la shot crossbar hey wasebenza ugoalkeeper lapha wasebenza ngempela ke goalkeeper lapha khona kick usebenzile ngempela ke goalkeeper lapha ukuthi ibhola nje alithinte akasilibhekele pheke elakhe lapha ke Mfukeng mbukeni hayi la usebenzile ugoalkeeper hayi la ubeshayile ngempela lapha yena ke uphuka Mfukeng hayi la usebenzile lela bhola ke belene team police uyazungeza ke police thola ke Mahupa police goal kick eyayo ke Richards Bay hayi la uvimbile ngempela ke goalkeeper la ukuyena ke uDion Hoto bene thuba ukuthi mhlawumbe ibhola litrap ke uDion Hoto hayi la uya trap nje ibhola ke ulibeka phakathi kodwa ke bokusheshwa ngempela ke lapha
Now to make the points safe if they weren't already. Mahupa to make it 2-0 and help himself to get another goal. His fifth it will be for the season. To bed this will probably be the last action of the game. Oh, so calmly done. Otieno goes the wrong way. It's 2-0. Mahupa makes the game safe. And as I said, that's probably it for the game. Set and match.
That's what they needed. The second goal. That's part of managing their lead and making it safe. It's a penalty, but she made it look so easy.
So calmly done, so calmly
to execution. No chance for the keeper. Goes the wrong